In 4 colors, iPhone SE2 images appeared. New iPhone SE2 renders are published online. The network has appeared renders of the smartphone iPhone SE2, the new budget gadget from Apple. The new device, the cost of which is rumored to not exceed $399, will receive a single camera, as well as 4 colors at once, including bright red. Despite the fact that the flagships of Apple are very popular among users, budget Apple devices are also widely in demand in the market. So, the iPhone SE, released in 2016, for some time was the best-selling gadget. This was facilitated by good characteristics and, of course, affordable price. It is not surprising that many Apple fans were delighted with the news that the company was preparing a successor to the SE, which will be called the iPhone SE2. The way SE2 will look, and what will be inside it, intrigues users no less than the upcoming iPhone 12. In social networks, iPhone SE2 renders have appeared, which give an idea of the likely appearance of the new gadget. It is worth noting that Apple has not officially confirmed the authenticity of these renders, so these smartphone images are made solely on the basis of rumors. The iPhone SE2 is expected to have a 4.7-inch LCD screen. Inside the gadget, an A13 processor will be installed, as well as 3 GB of RAM. The battery capacity is 2000 mAh.